Coming soon. Escape to your private retreat, 3.5 acres of comfort and style. Discover the perfect blend of peaceful country living and modern convenience in this immaculately maintained residence. Nestled on nearly 3.5 sprawling acres, this home offers the privacy and space you've been searching for, all while being thoughtfully updated and ready for its next chapter. Inviting interiors. From the neatly landscaped front of home, step up to the charming covered front porch and into a warm, welcoming entry that leads into a spacious, light-filled living area. The heart of the home features beautiful hardwood flooring throughout and an open-concept design that is perfect for both relaxing and entertaining. The chef-inspired kitchen is a standout, featuring a stunning tray ceiling and sleek, stainless steel appliances. Comfortable living. The smart, split-bedroom floor plan ensures maximum privacy for the primary suite and guests alike. Retreat to your spacious primary sanctuary, designed for ultimate relaxation with a sophisticated tray ceiling with elegant recessed lighting, a generous walk-in closet, a spa-like ensuite bath featuring dual vanities, a luxurious jacuzzi tub, and a separate shower. Your private outdoor oasis. Transition seamlessly to the outdoors through the back door, down maintenance-free steps, where you will find a beautifully crafted covered patio. It is the perfect spot for morning coffee, evening sunsets, or hosting friends. The immediate backyard area is thoughtfully fenced, creating a safe and defined space that flows perfectly into the remaining expansive lot, offering endless possibilities for gardens, play, or quiet reflection. Property highlights. 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths. Almost 3.5 acres of scenic land. Move-in ready with meticulously maintained finishes. Open concept layout ideal for modern living. Outdoor living space with covered patio and dedicated fencing. This home is more than just a place to live, it is a place